My name is Blake Fisher. I'm located out of the West Michigan area, the Grand Rapids, and I'm an agent with Elite F5. I would say my love for the car industry. I grew up in a family business that was actually auto as well. It kept evolving, and then I got my first job in sales, and the rest was history. I would say my drive. There's really no day that I like to take off or anything like that. I really like building the relationships with dealers and really helping them reach new boundaries. Just that I've lived there day to day. It's not something where I'm fresh to it or anything like that. I've actually worked in the desk. I've sold to customers. I've done the day-to-day activities that I've seen don't work and seen things that do work and can apply it to the new dealerships. There was a dealer that was lacking in their F&I department, and we came out with Next Gen Finance, where it's actually a remote finance person that will step in and improve their numbers, their compliance, everything like that, and that's helped them grow to new inventory, and they're actually looking at more locations. One would be passion, another thing would be trust, and third, I would say innovation. We have meetings every single week talking about new things we can bring to dealerships. I've started just under 2 years ago, and the difference from 2 years ago to now is drastic, and we only look to keep getting better. It's a huge sense of accomplishment. I took a big step going away from the dealership and going this route as well, and just seeing how far I've come from day one to now, it's pretty drastic. Growing up, from pretty much ever since I can remember, I always wanted to be a pilot. I actually looked at going to all the classes, getting all the certifications and everything like that, and working with an airline. Decided to go a different route with my life, but it's definitely one of my passions.